And as far as you're concerned, that is really the cause of the problem you're having. When they interfered with the OTS, and I'm talking to you as somebody who has been a minister for energy in my other early incarnations. so that is the cause of the mess that we're having. They say that we are going to do a G2G and that they are going to pay in Kenya shillings. Now you ask yourself, what are the Arabs in the Middle East going to do with Kenya shillings? It's falling down. So the time, as we say, the chicken are coming back home to roost here. So that's put us where we are here. And it is unfortunate that it's the Kenyans, who are innocent Kenyans, who are basically now suffering, when those who are responsible are globetrotting, looking at coffee in Colombia. The tigers, they're moving around when the Kenyans are suffering. It's very, very unfortunate indeed.